In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine cells in Excel. Combining cells, often called merging, is a quick way to create a single, wider cell for a title or label that spans multiple columns. It's perfect for things like centering a report heading across your sheet or grouping a section label above related data. The key is to choose the exact cells you want to behave as one, and then apply Excel's Merge and Center command. Start by selecting the cells you want to combine. Click in the first cell, then click and drag across or down to include all the cells you want to turn into one larger cell. For example, if you want a header that stretches from column A to column D, drag across those 4 cells in the same row. You'll see a highlighted box showing the entire selection. Make sure only the area you intend to merge is included, and double-check that the cell with the text you want to keep is in the top left of your selection. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click the Merge and Center button. Excel immediately merges the selected cells into one larger cell and centers the content horizontally. Behind the scenes, Excel keeps the value from the top left cell of your selection and discards anything typed in the other cells you included. If there's data in more than one of the selected cells, Excel will warn you before it continues. If you see that warning and you still need the other entries, cancel the merge and move or save that extra content first. You can always press undo if you merged by mistake. After merging, you'll notice that the new cell spans the width or height of your selection, which makes headings look clean and professional. Keep in mind that merged cells are best for labels and layout. They can make certain tasks, like sorting, filtering, or filling data down, a little trickier because Excel treats that merged block as a single cell. For structured tables or data you plan to analyze, it's usually better to keep cells unmerged and rely on formatting. But for titles and section headers, Merge and Center is exactly the right tool. That's all there is to it. Select the cells you want to combine, then click Merge and Center on the Home tab. Use it thoughtfully for headings and layout. Watch for the warning if multiple cells contain data, and remember you can undo immediately if the result isn't what you expected.